Hello, my name is Brian Short. I am from Lenore, North Carolina, on the mountain from App. Uh, I am a transfer student this year, and I'm transferring in as a sophomore. And my major is in nutrition and dietetics. After I graduate, I'd like to continue my education at App and do the program and get my registered dietitian certification. If that doesn't work out, I'd start my own business as a nutrition consultant. Um, both private homes and companies. Um, but I'd like to learn in the class more about how the process of food goes from the factory or the farm or wherever it's manufactured to your plate. In case that can be just as important, not more so than what's actually there. Uh, Obviously, a lot of things that happen in that process affect the quality of your food, the macro and micronutrients in it. So I think that's something really interesting to consider. Something interesting about me is when I was younger, I did a lot of martial arts. I was considered very flexible. I did judo and hapkido, and I could pretty much get out of any hold just because I bent weird ways that they're like, you're not supposed to be able to do that. I'm not as flexible now because I haven't trained in a few years, but hang on. I can still put my foot behind my head. You'd be able to do a lot more than that, but it's something. Anyway, I think that's it. Uh, and I hope I really enjoy this class. Thanks, everyone.